nshingiye ku mubare wa ba mukerarugendo Sina Gerard nyiri entreprise Urwibutso yakira ku munsi, nahamya ko bamaze kumugirira icyizere kidasanzwe. Ibi iyo bigeze ku gihugu cya Israel ho biba akarusho, aho yanakiriye ambasaderi wa Israel mu Rwanda. Reka twumve ubuhamya bw'abaturuka mu gihugu cya Israel batubwira uko Sina Gerard abatembereza ibyiza bitatse u Rwanda, by'umwihariko ibyiza bitatse umusozi wa Tari.
My name is Shenhav and I'm from Israel. When I got here, I didn't really know what to expect. I didn't really know much about Rwanda, but now I think it's probably one of the most beautiful countries I've ever been in. I mean, there is so much green. I love the green view and all the plants and the vegetations, and I think it's just an amazing country. I had no idea it is such a beautiful country, and the people here are amazing and welcoming and warm and kind, and it's just beautiful. I got tired, but always on the top of the place we're climbing, there is something incredible. Few days ago it was the chimpanzees, and yesterday was gorillas. Today was the school, which was amazing. So every time you climb, it is a bit difficult, but it's so worth it. When you get there, it's just you forget about you being tired. It's an amazing place. I mean, the view is amazing and incredible. The animals, I just rode a horse, which was nice. The donkeys, all the local food they brought. The mountain view, amazing.
The hills and the green and the great agriculture. I think the most amazing thing I ran into was the welcome that the people gave us. They made us feel home the minute we landed here, in Kigali, in the villages, every place. That was the main thing we enjoyed. First, I want to give a message for you. I want you to preserve what you have, because it's a pearl. And for the other people in the other world, all I can say is come here and keep this traditional and beauty alive.
This country is amazing. I didn't really know about this country when I came here. I come from a country with really big deserts and not very green. So to see all the mountains, to see all the people, very nice. Everybody is very nice, and I've had such a great experience. I'm shocked. This is a beautiful country and we really enjoy it. Everyone is so surprised. The weather is so nice and the green, and just amazing. Okay, I will give you a message of love, especially from us, the tourists that come here. We feel welcomed. We feel like we are safe here. We feel very, very good here. And I want to thank you so much that you welcomed us to your country and you gave us all these special experiences. Thank you very much.